Neenah is a very large paper manufacturer in the United States, and they're one of my key paper partners. Now, Neenah also manufactures wall coverings, and as expected, they're paper-based wall coverings. So this is sometimes they're called non-wovens. You can call them paper-based wall coverings. This is the Neenah DigiScape 350 17 mil wallpaper. It's heavy. This is a nice, heavy wallpaper. It printed beautiful. Mechanically, it ran through the printer flawlessly. This is a new product from Neenah. They asked me to evaluate it, and I ran it through the printer. I did this on a 365. I think very highly of it. Actually, I ran this 365 and 570, no issues. Now, to be aware, you can't see it much from this image, but if you were to do a solid image, you would notice sort of like an irregularity on the surface. Because it's a paper-based product and because of the surface of the product has sort of a coarseness to it, it's hard to explain, but you'll feel it. There's a tactile quality to it. You're not going to get rid of that. That's going to be part of it. But I think it adds to the effect, and I think it adds to the charm of the product. I would definitely use this product to do either residential or commercial wall coverings. It's got a nice weight to it. It prints beautiful. It does have that irregularity, which you're going to see on some solid colors. You don't see it here. And then some colors, it really looks quite cool. And it's because of the sort of natural fiber of the paper. I do recommend this. I have recommended that they see if they'll go through certification. That irregularity may cause it to not pass certification, but nonetheless, if you understand why that's irregular and you like it, and I do, and I think a lot of the artistic community, people who are designers might find a lot of value in the way this prints. This is a paper-based, PVC-free, a very environmentally friendly option that Neenah has come up with on the market. I have no mechanical issues whatsoever on the printer. I ran this at 12 pass. You could probably also run this at faster speeds. I saw no reason to be concerned going through the printer. It's got my recommendation, and I'd like to see where it goes next. Work with some installers and see what their thoughts on it, as well as my recommendation is to see if we can get it certified and get it on the media locator. But if you wanted to build your own preset, which is what I did on the 365 and the 570, I just built it straight up from scratch. No troubles whatsoever.